Happy Friday. I hope you've had a great week. Coming to you with another lender tips or tricks for you. Not everyone knows, but we do offer bridge loans at Atlantic Coast Mortgage. Bridge loans are an amazing product for your buyer who has a home that they need to sell in order to qualify for their next home, but instead of having to have that home sale contingency, we're essentially having a loan that creates a bridge for their equity between the home that they currently have and the new home that they want to buy. So they do need to have a good amount of equity because, again, we're paying off that lien and we're transferring that equity over as essentially a down payment, and they need to have good income because they will have a bridge payment. So what we do is we're paying off their current home. Any of those extras amounts are going to go towards down payment. So essentially almost like a weird cash out refi if you think about it that way. And then they'll have a payment for 6 months or less, depending on how quickly they sell their home, on that bridge. So they need to be able to hold the new payment if they're going to have a loan on the new home plus that bridge. Or in some situations, like one I've been doing recently, their home is completely paid off and they are taking out that equity to move towards the new home and adding their own cash to that. And they're essentially putting forward a cash offer on the new home. So they won't have a loan at all when they're done. And then in 6 months or less, they'll be able to pay off their bridge. The great news is too, there's no early payoff issues with these. So if they sell their house, 10 days after they close on the new one and they're ready to pay that loan off, they can, and they may not even have an initial payment on the bridge loan. So a great option. It helps you guys as buyer's agents when you've got these buyers who need to be able to sell the home to help remove those contingencies. And it can also help if you're the seller's agent and you know your seller is trying to buy again and they need to sell the home you're trying to sell yourself for them. They may be able to use a bridge loan to get them into the next one. So reach out if you have anybody who may be interested, and I hope you have a great weekend.